To use a Dhgate coupon, start by opening a browser and navigating to dhgate.com. Log into your account by clicking on the profile icon located next to the search bar at the top of the page. Once logged in, browse through the products and add the desired items to your cart. After adding products, click on the Checkout option at the top right corner of the page to proceed to the checkout section. Fill in your address details, including name, address, state, country, and phone number, ensuring that the address matches the one on your documents for potential custom verification purposes. Save your address and then select a payment method, such as card or scroll, and possibly PayPal in some countries. Enter your card details, including card number, expiry date, and security code, and click Apply. Review your order details and scroll down to the Summary section, where you will find an option to enter a coupon code. Enter a valid coupon code and click Apply to adjust the total amount to be paid. Finally, click Pay Now to complete the payment, and you will be redirected to a bank or PayPal page. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email, and you can track your order from the order page. This process allows you to successfully redeem a Dhgate coupon and complete your purchase.